there, IACP in Denver conference. I'm all excited to come on out and meet with you guys again. I've been a speaker there for the last 2 years. I've been invited back for a third time. I'm always in the PIO track, and I've got PIOs and chiefs come on in. I invite you to come on in. I think I have 2 sessions. Make sure you're there for the first session, and then the second session, you've got to get there early because it's always only standing room only at the end. Why? Because I'm going to teach you tools to use to help you become the own architect, your architect of your destiny, of your future, the architect of your team, of the people that are working within your department, to teach them how to actually engage and listen to what you have to say. How do I teach them that? By teaching you the tools to communicate powerfully with them. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips right now. I only usually give 1, but because I'm a retired federal law enforcement officer, I have my ATF lapel pin here, alcohol, tobacco, and firearms. I love ATF. If ATF's watching, hello, big shout out to you. In the meantime, here are my 3 quick tips. Number 1, if you're a shorter chief, I get this question all the time. This is usually an after the show question. You're a shorter chief, you are under whatever, 5'8", and you're under 5'8". You've got tall lieutenants, you've got people on your staff, on your team that are taller than you. They try to dominate you and push you around. Here's a quick tip. Number 1, what you want to do is you want to make sure you're the last person standing in the room. So anytime you have a meeting, anytime you're going into their offices, make sure you go into their office. The taller people that are trying to dominate and own this office, your department, no. You wait till they're sitting, you go in, and you take up space. Bam. I've got my hand right here on a wall. I've got my right hand on a hip. I'm taking up space. I'm standing over the person. I'm saying I'm the boss and I'm in charge. Right here. If you're in a boardroom, you're having a meeting, you're talking about what's going to happen over the next month, here, excuse the noise, I'm at a speaking engagement, but I took time for my speaking engagement to give you these quick tips today because you're important to me. So there are people walking behind me right now, but I'm going to keep going because this is important that you know this information. You keep standing, you take up space. The more space you take up, the more important people are going to perceive you to be. Right here, bam, Superman. I've created what's called the broadside display. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3, you don't like what someone's saying to you? Calm down gesture. Wait a second. Right here, wait a second. This is very dominant, not this. Wait a second. This is, I'm looking for your permission. This is great when you're motivating the team. Hey everybody, I know we can do more this year. Okay, we got some funds from Project Safe Neighborhoods. We're going to start working with the federal government. Bam, we can do more. This is motivating us. This is, you people screwed up. I'm in charge. It's my life depends on keeping your lives safe. And that's what I'm in charge of. Do you understand? So you're going to listen to what I ask you to do. So those are your 3 quick tips. I invite you to come to my 2 sessions at the IACP conference in Denver in October. I can't wait to meet you. I promise it's going to be playful and interactive. And for those of you who've seen me before, I'm going to give you new information that you've never seen before and tips that you're going to be able to use and implement as soon as you walk out that room. See, I'm going to give you the power to control anyone in your presence. Isn't that pretty cool? It is cool, and I'm going to give it to you because I love you guys. All right, IACP, my name is Janine Driver. We'll see you in Denver. In the meantime, be sure to check out my website. It's a new one. I know you haven't seen it before. www.bodylanguageinstitute.com. I have specialty programs just for executives, law enforcement, and anyone who is trying to make a difference in this world. Be sure to check out the site. My name's Janine. I'll see you in Denver. Over and out.